Go.
Hi guys, I'm back again with yet another video on rehabilitation. Today we'll speak about shoulder pain. 9 times out of 10, if you are suffering from shoulder pain when you raise your arm, it's because of an imbalance in the scapular stabilizers. Scapula is also known as the shoulder blade. So the shoulder blade has a lot of muscles which stabilize it. When you raise your arm, your shoulder blade rotates to give more room for the tendons to move inside. So when these muscles don't function properly or they're not firing properly, what happens is when you raise your arm, the head of your shoulder hits into the shoulder blade, thereby jamming the tendons. So the goal of the 3 exercises which I will show you today, my top 3 exercises, this will create more room for the tendons to move in. So when you lift your shoulder, you will be able to lift it smoothly without any pain. So here are my top 3 exercises. Try them out and let me know how you find it. So for the first exercise, you will need a band and a place to attach it to. So place the band at a slightly lower point, slightly lower than the hips. Now, for the first exercise, we'll work on the serratus, which is responsible for keeping your shoulder blade close to the rib cage. So first, push your shoulder forward, keeping your elbow locked. If you don't know how to do the movement, you can just do this movement first until you master it. Then, keeping your shoulder pushed forward, raise your arm up and go back down. Push, raise your arm up, go back down. You can also place 3 to 4 fingers on your rib cage to feel this muscle being activated. Push, raise your arm up, down. So try to do 2 sets of 15 repetitions of this exercise before moving on to the next. For the second exercise, keep the band attached at the level of your hip. Take a neutral grip at your wrist. Feet apart, chest up, head up. Raise the band up like you're making a V. So, raise the band up, squeeze your shoulder blades, keeping your shoulder blades squeezed, go down slowly. So 1 second up, squeeze the shoulder blades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 seconds down. 1, squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're doing this exercise the right way, you should feel it in this part of your back, which is the area for the lower and middle trapezius. These muscles are responsible for the rotation of the scapula, giving more room for the tendons in your shoulder to move in. Try it out. So the last and final exercise, the third exercise, is for the rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is responsible for directly stabilizing your shoulder. So place the band at the elbow level, keeping your elbow at a right angle and your elbow close to your body. Make sure your elbow doesn't move, it stays fixed to your body, and you rotate outside. Make sure your wrist is in neutral, chest up, head up, back straight. The range doesn't matter in this. If your range is only till here, it's fine. Try to go all the way in and rotate out. While doing this exercise, you should feel a small burn right here on your shoulder. If that happens, it means you're doing the exercise the right way. So those are my top 3 exercises for the shoulder. Try them out, work within the pain-free range. If you have pain at any range, don't push beyond it. Work within the pain-free range and let me know how it helps. See you.